Hi friends, you are welcome to channel tinkuclasses. I am Tinku. I come from Pakur, State Jharkhand, India. Sisters and brothers and friends, it fills my heart with joy unspeakable to rise in response. Honesty is good policy because this is victory. Honesty is victory. The should never avoid anybody. Serve is religion. Work is worship. Avoid anybody because God sent to us on the earth for work and serve. Work is worship. Okay? We must be unit. Unit is important for the country in the world. We ought to obey our country, India. Unit is powerful. We should make to keep peace because the peace is not good policy. It can be destroyed. Enemy is destroyed. Enemy is good not policy. It can be destroyed in the world. Anger is not good policy. Anger is not good policy. Cruel is not good policy. It can be destroyed. Okay guys? If we will work hard, it will be success. We have courage and passions. We should help the poor. I request the government that education condition, job conditions, hospital with doctor conditions, electricity conditions, the road conditions, hospital conditions, school college conditions, electricity conditions, the train conditions, court of conditions, it's all etc. It will be success and will be honge kamyab. It's called Digital India and Make in India. It's important for Indian. Okay guys? The court is for judgments of God. Friends, India will make number 1 in the world. Therefore, my friends, this is the no time to sleep. Let us work hard. Friends, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.